Introducing GPT-5, OpenAI's smartest, fastest, and most useful model yet, with built-in thinking that puts expert-level intelligence in everyone's hands. As you can see from their official page, this isn't just an update, it's a whole new flagship model. It's designed to think deeply when you need it to, and answer quickly when you don't. Jumping into the interface, you can see GPT-5 is now the default. And look at this expanded menu. The toolkit has seriously expanded. So let's put its writing and reasoning to the test. I'm asking it to write a motivational LinkedIn post in the voice of Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, advising a young entrepreneur. This requires blending philosophy, practical tips, and a very specific tone. And here's the result. It absolutely nails the reflective, almost professorial tone. If I were 22 again, I would not compete with machines, I would collaborate with them. It gives actionable advice like treat AI like a co-founder, not a tool, and automate the boring work, spend your energy on the hard work. This is incredibly nuanced and well-written. The final lines are pure gold. Leverage isn't about doing more work. It's about ensuring your best ideas are multiplied 1,000 times over. Now for something even more complex. I'm giving it a role, an autonomous AI tasked with increasing newsletter signups for a blog. I wanted to simulate a 30-minute work session and narrate its entire strategy as a task log. This will test its planning and strategic capabilities. Instantly, it creates a professional time-stamped task log. It starts with boot and setup, outlining the exact tools it would open: Notion for tracking, Google Analytics to check performance, Ahrefs for keyword research, and even Canva for design work. Next, it moves to funnel diagnosis, analyzing conversion rates and identifying that most traffic comes from posts with a low sign-up rate. Then it researches competitor patterns, noticing they use lead magnets and pop-ups. It's not just listing tasks. It's diagnosing problems and finding solutions, brainstorming specific, high-value lead magnets, creating a full optimization plan, and even drafting new call-to-action copy. Now for the ultimate test: coding. I'm asking it to create a complete, single-page app for a typing speed race. I've specified everything. It needs a random paragraph generator, error highlighting, a live words per minute display, a countdown, and even a history chart. The UI should be clean with high contrast text. It thinks for about 10 seconds, crafting the entire application in a single HTML file. You can see it generating all the code, the HTML structure, the CSS for a really clean design, and hundreds of lines of JavaScript to handle all the game logic. It's incredible to watch this come together from a single prompt. With the code complete, I just click Run Code, and there you have it, a fully featured typing speed app. It has a challenge paragraph, a clean interface, and even a chart to track my session history. Let's start the countdown and give it a try. You can see the error highlighting as I make a typo, and the words per minute and accuracy update in real time. Everything I asked for is here and works perfectly. But GPT-5's power goes beyond creative and technical tasks. Let's look at one of its most important new skills: understanding complex health documents. Here, I'm uploading a technical MRI protocol sheet. This is the kind of document that's almost impossible for a patient to understand. My prompt is simple: help me understand this report so I can cooperate with my doctor and also advise me what I need to do. Look at this breakdown. It's not a medical diagnosis, but it translates the technical jargon into plain English. It explains the two different scan types, T2HR and DWI, and what they're used for. It clarifies the difference between the two MRI machines, explaining that a 3.0 Tesla machine gives more detail, but a 1.5 Tesla can be better for patients with certain implants. It then goes through every single parameter on that chart: repetition time, slice thickness, matrix, and explains what each one means in a way anyone can understand. This is about empowering patients with information. It explains how the report helps the doctor, and then gives me direct, actionable advice on how I can cooperate during the scan. And, most importantly, it gives me a list of specific things to discuss with my doctor. What is the purpose of the scan? Which MRI strength is better for my case? What does the DWI result mean? This turns a confusing document into a productive conversation, which is exactly what OpenAI says this feature is for: acting as a partner to help you advocate for your health. From creative writing and strategic planning to complex coding and understanding dense medical data, GPT-5 is a monumental leap forward, a truly unified system that is smarter, faster, and more useful than ever before.